Hey there, welcome to our channel, and today we will see how to draw a teacup pig. But today I won't use any black pen, rather I'm using my color pencils. So let's begin. At the beginning I'm using my black color pencil. The pig has beautiful eyes. Here's its mouth. And now I'm using pink color for its big nose. The same pink color in its lip. And now I'm using yellow-orange color. I'm using a bit of orange color. Okay, my drawing is done, and this is how you can draw a teacup pig within few minutes. Thank you so much for watching.